Take a ride in the 2024 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, LED headlights, traction control, tow hitch, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.